Hello, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to show you a bit of a different direction compared to my previous videos. This time I'm trying to see how I can generate videos without thinking about full automation, but mainly trying to get something that works. The reason is that you may remember, let me show you again, the photo that I got from so the Python script. My previous video, I showed how I could get this automated video, and this is how it looks. So the pictures are very bad. The This is just a sequence of static images, so that's not really great. All right. And the images are not even relevant with the video. I mean, with the script itself. So I wanted to try something else. So I basically started by asking ChatGPT, so given a script as a text, please create automatically a video that illustrates the script using the latest AI tools. So it gives me step by step, and this is not automated, even though the video creation is automatic from the script. But what it means is that it doesn't mean that it's going to be like using a Python script or something like that. It's a bit different, this one. So step-by-step workflow, this starts with the script generation. So this one is optional indeed, because I already have the script. And the script is here. If I go, so this file was generated already by ChatGPT, and this is what I want to read. So there is a voice that's going to read this. And I managed to do that with voiceovers, but this time I want to use this script and give it to whatever it is and get a video, a full video. All right, so the AI narration voiceover. So this one, again, ChatGPT is telling me I could use VoiceVox because here, indeed, I'm kind of specialized in Japanese, and so it can convert your text script into natural human-sounding narration video. So I have to say that the audio is not too bad, indeed. It's free and it's high quality, yes. Apart from the issues that I had with the pronunciation of the main topic actually, which was wrong. But this is I think I can work with that anyway. So the scene illustration. This one is the actual video generation, and it gives me a bunch of tools like this. So it says, I'm not sure if this is only image or some of them seem to be more like images, and I don't know these ones, but it kind of looks like okay, so this one is text to video. So this one probably is going to can help me with generating videos. Pika Labs as well, but the other ones are static images, so I don't need that basically. But these two may be used indeed. Okay, but so this is the scene illustration. I don't really know what it means because then the next step is the video editing, etc. The tools, the script in video picture AI Adobe Premiere Pro with Firefly integration. Okay. So it's going to sync the generated images, video clips, and narration audio into a coherent, visually appealing video recommended script. Sync and editing. But this one caught my attention because it says it's fully automated from script to final video, right? So this is pretty much what I'm looking for. So I can generate the scripts automatically using say, well, I need to find the latest trends using like Google Trends or Yahoo something like real time, something like that. And then once I have the topic, I ask ChatGPT to write some script about the trend, and that is automatic. And the next step would be basically to use this to have the final video. So it's it's quite good, basically. And it's like subtitles and tag animations, so I suppose that this is in case that the previous step couldn't provide enough of these functions, and I have to add by myself subtitles or text. Okay, background music and sound effects. So this one again, it's yes, this is kind of nice to have probably. Okay, so full automation example pipeline. Using for the script ChatGPT, narration, voiceovers, this is what I used, and video generation is going to use that. Editing and subtitles, okay, these ones, and the music, etc. Then it just goes on to do something that I'm not really sure what it is. Using Python API, so generate audio from script. Where does it come from? This pseudocode, I don't. This it looks interesting, but okay. So we assume that we use these tools with API, an API. So it's quite nice actually to know that we have these tools with API, and indeed it could be fully automated. So it could be nice. But it says, final recommendation, the simplest path if your goal is ease and speed, the easiest fully automated workflow today. That's what appealing to me in a way. Just kind of, I want to start somewhere. That's the Pictory.ai. Simply paste your script. Automatically generates narration, matching visuals, subtitles, and background music. Oh, really? It does that in one single shot. Okay, so so this is basically what I tried. So I already have this project. You can see on the screen. What I did is just simply give this script, right? So this is the script. Well, okay. So this is the script basically. I gave the script again. So this one, and then what it did is I think that is basically split each sentence into a scene. So we have 4 scenes, just like I guess we have 4 sentences like that. But scene one is not actually in form of the second sentence, split into the first half, and then we have the scene 2 for the second half, etc. So it's not really clear how enter a valid project name. So it's not a valid project name, but it looks like, so the first scenes should be the first sentence, and it was used as a title for some reason. So it's, okay, I need to adjust that. All right, so we've got a video of 7 seconds, so it's very short. And okay, so if we look at that, preview that. So okay, so we've got kind of an image on each scene. Do we have audio like voiceover? Yes. So I would have a voice. The voice in Japanese, so reading the script. It's very nice. The voice is kind of, yeah, just, we can understand what it says. And then we have the subtitle. So as ChatGPT was saying, we've got pretty much everything we need. I haven't really looked at the really the details and like the functions that I could have with this. There's a background music as well. Okay. Top of the voiceover. Okay, that's nice. So
NISA 口座に積み立てたお金は5年間の運用期間中は配下水となります。
Okay, it's pretty good. Scene 2. Yeah. So the question is, what is the transition between the scenes? And we can add the transition apparently. So I'm going to have to look at that.
つまり利益が出た場合にも税金がかからず、その分を利益に回すことができるんです。
Script, so we've got kind of image with tags, which okay, kind of good. And this one,
ま
what do you
た、
say?
講座は一人一句作まで解
And
説が
merit
可能で、
for
年間
investment.
納付限度額もありますが、
Right.
数値面でのメリットが大きいため、投資初心者から上級者まで
conclusion
幅
in a
広
way
く
is
利
that
用されていま
it's
す。
not too bad. I think that this could be some material after kind of what is it? Trying to fine tune the whole thing. There's a bit more actually in the menu, but I haven't been looking at that really. Okay. And I also asked to download the video, but there are two modes. So one is download without watermark, and one is with watermarks. The former is free, and well, I haven't paid yet. Actually, it says that I have a free trial. Still 11 days to go. All right, so I'm not paying anything, but I can use it. It's just that I think the capacity will be quite reduced, and also, as you see, some of the functionalities are not available, and so I will have a watermark. Okay, so where's the video? Trying to click on this, but nothing happens. So, okay, it just says that my video is available, probably. So if I do that, it says video generation in progress. Actually, it really took a while to generate the video. I'm not sure if it's ready. I haven't seen anything in my download folder. Yeah, there's nothing here. So I really don't know where the video is and how I can get it. All right. And also, this site is extremely slow. So I basically tried to log in, and it took me a few minutes before I could get to the screen. So I don't know if it's because it's a free trial, but I'm a bit worried about the kind of bandwidth of all the speed of access to the site, and I still don't have so I can have a preview, of course, like this.
NISA 口座に積み立てたお金は 5年間の運用期間中は配下水となります。つまり利益
Okay, so now I can see the transition. So there's actually nothing happening
NISA
really in
口座に
transition. Maybe we should add some transition. And what is this? That's okay. Okay, that's really okay. Very basic stuff. So I don't even know if it's worth doing that. It's just okay. So here again, we've got like the same system of just images that are kind of concatenated with some kind of filter between them. So not a big deal. And again, so I don't even know how to get the video downloaded on my computer because I'm not getting anything. Yeah, saying that it's not ready. This says that it's generating the video. So it's been now at least 15 minutes and the video is still not ready. So this doesn't look like it's a good deal actually, this one. It's free and probably if I'm a bit patient, I could get the video, but it takes no time. The merit is that I don't have to use my computer power to generate the video. So their server is doing that, but the downside is that apparently I just can't get my video. If I do this,
NISA 口座に積み立てたお金は
and could we imagine that I could download actually this video because it's here. I mean, I could just
NISA 口座に積み立てたお金
do
は
something like
5年間
get a
の運用
screenshot
期
or
間
something.
中は配下水となります。
But
つまり利益
I'm not sure that it would work. What is this? If I get look at this, do we have yeah, we have video.
NISA 口座に積み立てたお金は
It's
5
not the
年
final
間の
video.
運用
All right, so I'm a bit at a loss to. 5 年間の運用期間中は配下水となります。つまり利益 All right, so I'm a bit at a loss to. 5 年間の運用期間中は配下水となります。
NISA
show a bit more about this and like the benefits. Doesn't sound like a good option, even though that was an option. So at least I wanted to show this because it was apparently sort of how was that? It was an easy way, so the shortest path to having the video. So that's why I kind of went to that, but because it's just not good enough, then I will try to do other things. So the other things would be so the audio I have it, so it's fine. But like generate the scenes, so images. Unfortunately, I would have to use images. I wish I could really have directly the video from the script, if it makes sense. So like I really want to generate videos, not images. So apparently, if I want to do that, I have to, yes, use these two. So I think that next time I'm going to show how to use this Runway Gen 2 or Pickups, even though I'm not sure there's an API actually that I could use in the base script. And also, so next step in a movie API. So I've tried to use that really. So the editing, how does this work actually? The movie API was really very bad. It didn't work. So I'm not even sure that the step here, the step 4 is really relevant. And add the subtitles. Well, it's okay. We'll see how it works, and adding the music is probably not a big deal. Even though, yeah, the music as well. I mean, I could try to find like something that exists. What did it say for the background music? It's like AI generated, suitable. I'm not sure what it means, but royal free tracks and comprehensive library. Okay, so it's free stuff. I don't get it how they do free. They give away free stuff. How do they make money? I don't get it. Customizable. That could be interesting to test. Right, so but it seems that yes, I don't want to really start with the images, so I'm going to start with the easy, not the easiest, but the straightforward way, text to video AI generation. So I will try this one next time. Runway Gen 2, even though apparently I'm not sure, but is there an API? Maybe Google can tell us the API, even though it's not free, but so this is something different. Clink AI, so image to video. So image to video also could be interesting. If it's cheaper and easier to use than directly creating the video. But so far, so this one, it says that it's okay. So here we have this text to video, and right, so this looks good actually. If we look at that, it's quite nice. So I think this could be quite good to use this. As for the API, it's not clear it works. Even though there's no API, I could still automate the access to this website using an AI agent so that in the end I'm not so much worried about the absence of API. So, right, let's try to see if was it downloaded. This one, because really time is passing by and still generating, so this is really hopeless. So next time we'll try this runway Gen 2, and I will try to see if it does the job, basically. Right, so that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my channel, and see you again in another video.